Hey riders! Welcome back to Rider Fusion, your ultimate destination for all things motorcycles. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Yamaha V Star 250, a bike that's perfect for both beginners and experienced riders alike. Whether you're looking for your first ride or a reliable cruiser, the V Star 250 could be just what you need. Let's take a closer look. Design and aesthetics. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Yamaha V Star 250 combines classic cruiser style with modern performance. Its sleek and minimalistic design makes it stand out in a crowd. The chrome accents, paired with the bold body lines, give it a timeless look that fits well in both urban environments and winding country roads. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the V Star 250 comes equipped with a 249 cubic centimeters V-twin engine that delivers a smooth and responsive ride. The air-cooled engine is known for its reliability, making it ideal for both city commuting and weekend rides. The power output is perfect for newer riders, offering just the right balance of performance without being overwhelming. And with a 5-speed gearbox, shifting is easy and precise, giving you complete control over your ride, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating through city traffic. Comfort and handling. Now, let's talk about comfort. The V Star 250 features a low 27.4-inch seat height, making it incredibly accessible for riders of all sizes. It's perfect for anyone who wants to enjoy a comfortable, upright riding position. Plus, with a lightweight frame and agile handling, the V Star 250 is a breeze to maneuver, especially for those just getting into the world of motorcycles. Technology and features. In terms of tech, the V Star 250 keeps it simple but effective. It has a traditional analog speedometer, keeping things classic. Plus, it comes with a large fuel tank that offers impressive range, meaning fewer stops at the gas station and more time on the road. Safety and reliability. Safety is a key factor, and Yamaha has you covered. The V Star 250 is equipped with front disc brakes and rear drum brakes, giving you reliable stopping power. The bike's overall design ensures a stable and secure ride, making it a great option for those who prioritize safety. Conclusion. So, what do we think of the 2025 Yamaha V Star 250? It's a solid choice for riders looking for a stylish, dependable, and approachable cruiser. Whether you're a first-time rider or an experienced one looking for a reliable daily commuter, this bike has a lot to offer. With its combination of sleek design, smooth performance, and comfortable handling, the V Star 250 is a true gem. Thanks for watching, riders. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Rider Fusion for more motorcycle content, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on the 2025 V Star 250. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.